What's up, everybody? This is Jay, and welcome to another shoe review, product review. This time, it's for some more Jordans. Now, these are the Jordan 13s. They just came out in the sneakers app. I did win the raffle and got these from Nike direct. I'm going to go ahead and unbox these and give you my detailed first reaction review. So, as you see, it does have the Nike Just Do It tape on here. So, let's do it and open them up. Jordan 13s came out in '98. I remember when they came out, I was working at UPS and I came out and I bought the playoff edition Jordans from the shoe store Shernan's in Chicago on Roosevelt Road. And I actually still got them to this day. They're not in A1 condition. I mean, that was since, what, 98? That was 23 years ago. It was Jordan's last year with the Bulls. But they are in good condition. I'd probably put them in C condition, which isn't bad considering I worn them a lot over 23 years. Anyway, these 13s, they pretty nice. Now, this right here is a navy blue. And white. It comes in this gray platinum box. The official color is the Jordan 13 Retro white and dark powder blue multi. So, once you crack them on out, these are the 13s. It's got the hologram. It's got the nice tough leather on the toe box with the suede on the side. The suede accent right here in the sole. The suede here as well. It's got the nice stitching for the leather here, which is also the same quality leather that is on the toe. On the bottom, it has a nice accent hologram as well as the teal blue to match the rest of the shoe. It also has the lighter teal Jordan Jumpman symbol. And they also have that on the inside of the shoe. Jordan 13s have always been some of my favorite as far as comfortability to hoop in, style. I mean, these Jordan 13s definitely check all the boxes. And although this is a darker color, the colorway does fit with the navy as well as the white. And then it has the light blue accent to kind of make it pop with the light blue Jordan Jumpman. The feel for these feels luxurious. It's got the suede on the tongue, as you can feel right in here. And I did get lucky and get these on the Nike sneakers app. It was on my birthday, September 17th. So I don't know if they was trying to give me a birthday present, but I did win this raffle on the sneaker app. So I did get lucky with that. And I'm appreciative because, you know, everybody know it's not easy to win on the sneaker app raffle. And I have won a few times, which I guess probably makes me luckier than most. So these are dope. It's got it only portioned right here on the left side, but then on the interior, it has it going the whole length of the shoe, the white. And these are definitely some of the cleanest mics you can rock. And with it being leather, it does make it some of the most easily maintainable Jordans. Although they may look fancy and, you know, luxurious, the suede is not so much. As long as you don't step in puddles and water, you should be all right. So, anyway, that's my review for the Jordan 13s. Check it out. I definitely recommend these. You may be able to catch you a pair on eBay or on StockX. And, you know, happy hunting. Anyway, check out the description box below. I got some deals and some links for you to check it out. Maybe you can catch you your own pair. And I'll see y'all on the next review. Peace, and I'm out.